How's it going, guys? Bradley Sutton from Helium 10 here, and we've got a new feature in Cerebro, which is a reverse ASIN lookup tool, and it's called the Get Competitors feature. Now, in the past, if you have seen this video, great. If you have not, please make sure to go look for it. It's the video where I talk about how to use this new feature of competing ASINs. Now, in that video, it shows you how you can go out there and look for who you think your top competitors are and who are selling well and who you want to compare yourself to. But maybe you don't know this market that well. You're not very confident that you yourself can pick the top competitors. Or maybe you're completely new to the market. You're not comparing it against your product, but you're researching a competitor and you want to see who his competition is. Well, this is why we made this new button right here. So let's go ahead and get this ASIN. This is just a product here, collagen peptides that we've searched before. So I'm going to copy this ASIN. I'm going to paste it here just like normal. Now, if I would do a reverse ASIN search for this one, there's probably going to be like 600, 700 words that would come up. And again, I could go in and look under collagen peptides and try and find who I think are the top competitors. But now we've made that process even simpler. I'm going to hit Get Competitors and watch what happens. It's going to pull up a list of 20 of the top competitors. Now, what do we use to determine if it's a competitor? These are the 20 products that share the most ranked keywords as this product that we entered here. So let's say that product is getting or is ranked on the top 306 of maybe 600 keywords, like I had said. Well, the top one here, maybe 500 of them it's shared here. Maybe this one has 450. Maybe this one has 300. What I guarantee you is it's not 20 or 30 or 40. Those ones we don't even consider. So these are the top 20 that share the most ranked keywords. Now, so I have a visual interface here, and I'm just going to say, you know what? This one looks like the same. This one looks like the same. Maybe this one looks the same. I can pick up to 10 that I'm going to compare, but I'm just going to pick 3 for right now. Once I hit close, see what happens. It puts it right here so that I didn't have to go and search these. And now I hit reverse search. I always like doing fresh searches, even if I might have searched it before. So I'm going to hit new search. It's going to go look out for that data. And now it's going to find all of the keywords that any 4 of these products are ranked for. And again, after this, there's a lot of data that you can look in. Please look at the video where I talk about how to use the competing ASINs tool so that you can see how to use this data. But for those of you who are struggling on how do I pick who my competitors are, make sure to use this brand new feature, Get Competitors. Thanks, you guys.